These are very important for fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination that will further help the children with their pencil grip, eventually needed for handwriting. Now, starting with the threading activity, here I have wooden beads with big holes. This is good one for the younger age group. You can use reels, buttons, anything that have holes. If you don't find these things, you can even use pasta. Pasta comes in different shapes and sizes. Now, all you need is ribbon, laces, or even a piece of yarn. Make sure that you put some pipe cleaner at the end so that it's easy for the children to feed pasta or beads through. Once they're done, you can always say, "Oh, how beautiful it is." So listen to them, what they have to tell you about. You can further take it to math, where they count how many beads or pasta they've put in through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can even dye your pasta using simple food color. Here I've dyed it into red and green pasta. Here I have lacing activity. Lacing activity are simple card that has holes around them. We use these lacing templates at nursery. If you don't find them, don't worry, you can always recycle hard cardboard paper. So all you need is hard cardboard paper and hole punching machine, and then you just go around. I like using leaves also. You can get some big leaves and make holes around them, and then just get again ribbon, laces, or yarn, and you go in and out, over and under. Some children will go end up going around it, and that's perfectly okay. I love it when they go around. And here we go. I hope you like my activities. Looking forward to seeing you soon. Eat healthy.